Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you Revit Shortcuts. You can use Revit Shortcuts to make your design faster. There are default Revit shortcut that comes along with the Revit installation, but you have the ability to customize it. You can change the shortcut so that it will favor the way you use it. Take for instance, I have customized my own system in a way that the shortcut and the hotkeys are easier for me to use. I do it in a way that the keys are very closer to each other so that my right hand is on the mouse while my left hand is on the keyboard, so that at any point in time I have easy access to the keys and it makes my work faster. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can customize your own Revit shortcut, and the way it works is it works per system, per computer. So whatever you set is only restricted to that computer. If you go to another computer, you have to reset it again. So I'm going to take you through in all those settings. Let's jump into it and set it right away. So how do you access the dialog box? You type KS on your keyboard and it will take you to this dialog box. Then in this dialog box, whatever command you are looking for, you now type it on this search box. Take for instance, I'm looking for shortcut for extend or trim/extend multiple. So I type extend in that search box, extend. Now it has brought out the trim/extend multiple elements. Now it doesn't have any shortcut, and I want to impute shortcut for it because I use it often. So what do? I will select it, and down here under press new keys I will type EX, then I will click assign. Now I get this warning that the combination is already assigned to another command, which is explode. So if you hit OK now, that means that EX is going to be assigned to two commands. Sometimes it may be confusing. So to avoid this, you can hit OK. If you hit OK now, that command is assigned to trim/extend multiple. So what I'm going to do now is I will go to explode and delete it so that it will not be confusing when I want to use it. So I go to explode and I select the shortcut and select remove. Then after you are done with it, you click OK. Now if I want to extend now, assuming I have this word here and I want to extend it to this point, I type EX and click where I want to extend it to and click it. You see, it works. Then if I want to take it back, I'll still use the same method, EX. I'll click where I want to take it to and click behind it. It will take it there. So that is how you do it. Then another scenario is assuming the command you want to set the shortcut doesn't have. So what do? Let's take for instance, let's go back to our dialog box Now this solid extrusion does not have shortcuts. So what we do, we select it and we type the shortcut we want to use. Let's say we type SE and click assign. Now it gives you a warning that SE is already assigned to another command endpoint. So let me cancel. Let me try another combination, SD. Click assign. SD is already assigned to another. Okay, let's continue to try it. SG and click assign. Okay, so XG is not assigned to any command. So after you are done with that, you now click OK. So anytime you want to use it, you just type SG and it will give you what you want. So that is how you use those commands. Now I have several shortcuts that I have customized in my own system, and it makes my work easier for me. So I'm going to give you a rundown of those shortcuts so that whenever you are going through my tutorial, that is what I use, so that you follow up, so that you will not be asking yourself questions, how did you do this, how did you do this? So I'm going to take you through now. So these are the list of my shortcuts that I use. The number one I'm going to give you is modify. This what I use is QW, and the reason I use QW is that Q and W are very close to each other. So this modify is after you are done with a certain command. Take for instance, if I fix a dimension now, if I fix a dimension, you can see the cursor is still showing that the command is still on. So how do you exit out of this command? Normally, if you want to follow with the icon, you go to the upper left hand side and you see modify. If you click on it, you are out of that command. But if you want to use shortcut, after you are done with your dimension, I'll just hit QW and that will take me out of that command. So it's the same as going here. So the best thing is to use the shortcut so that it makes your work faster. And the shortcut I use is QW. So I am the one that set that myself, and that is what I use throughout this tutorial. So if you want to know it, you kindly follow me. I'm going to leave it in the description section. It will also be in my website. If you want to copy it, you can go there and copy it and you use it. So let's run through again. Align. This is align, activate view / activate view. Deactivate view is DA, and extend multiple EX. Mirror, that is to draw axis, is DM, and copy to clipboard is CU. You can also use Ctrl+C. Paste align to same place is CB, and on hide element is EU. Hide categories BH. On hide categories is VU, and review hidden element is review hidden element toggle is RH, and detail line is DL. So you can fix all this. You can set your own if you follow my step, and it will be done for you. The last one is default 3D view. So assuming I am on the floor plan and I want to go direct to the 3D, what do I do? So what I do is I don't need to go to the icon and click on this before taking me to the 3D. So what I do is I'll just type 3D and it will take me direct to the 3D. So that is what I do. That is my own personalized shortcut. Now if you want to copy it, I will leave it in the description section. You can go there and copy it. You can also visit my website www.actingconsult.com.ng to copy it and also receive more instruction. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.